Today I'm doing blended warm shade highlights with 8.1 plus 8. 17 plus 6 plus 0 77 plus 4 plus Power Blonde plus Volume 302010. Here my customer hair level is 5'6" with lot of color patches. Now I'm mixing Power Blonder plus 30 volume with 1 to 1.5. After mixing, I start application method from nape to crowned area. Now I gonna open and check each foil one by one. When I achieve my desired level 7 to 8 level, I wash my client head with Cune After Color shampoo. Now I'm gonna tone and neutralize yellow pigment with 0.77 8-inch. Without any developer. Plus 8.1 plus 8.17 plus 6N with volume 10 for 20 minutes with 1 to 2. 6N 5G 8.17 10G and 8.115G plus 10 volume 60 ml. For 20 minutes and also done root touch-up with 4 plus 20 for 30 minutes. Now first I done root touch-up N. Then glossing with all the fashion shades. Then after 20 minutes I wash customer head with After Color shampoo. Then apply balsam for 20 minutes as a conditioner, then wash. After 100% dry, this is final result. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe my channel. For more tutorials, goodbye.